Today, we're going to show you how to get started with the Specdrums MIX app, a brand new app from Sphero that lets you mix artist-curated loops, beats, and samples using Specdrums rings and the world around you. First, you'll connect your Specdrums ring over Bluetooth within the app. Touch Connect, then find your ring listed under available rings. If you don't see your ring, plug in the USB and make sure it's charged. You can connect as many rings as your device can handle. For example, the iPhone X can take up to 6 rings at once. Now you're ready to drop some beats. By default, the colors are calibrated to the playpad that comes in the box. Tap each color with your ring on the playpad and see the corresponding colors light up in the app. To play your world, you can tap any colored object, and the closest color will be recognized in the app. In our advanced tutorial, we describe how to calibrate custom colors. There are 2 different types of sounds that each sound pack can play: samples and loops. A sample is one-shot sound. Some samples can be sustained while the ring is held down on the color, like a piano key, while others are played straight through, like a snare drum hit. A loop is a beat or melody that can be toggled on and off by tapping a color and will repeat continuously. These are typically represented by the top 4 pads of the playpad. Loops are always in sync with one another. You can explore all kinds of different genres and moods of music through the different packs available in our app, with more packs being added every month. Now you know the basics, so have fun and jam out.
The skills of the future have never been more important or more exciting. That's why we've made it our mission to inspire the creators of tomorrow. We're Sphero, and we make undeniably cool programmable robots that transform the way kids learn through coding and STEAM activities in the most fun way possible. We have a little piece of app-enabled tech for people of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're learning at home, in school, or anywhere in between, our products, apps, and content provide great experiences for anyone, anywhere. Plus, they're designed for learner progression, so you can start, grow, and advance with Sphero. Don't just take our word for it. More than 40,000 educators in over 80 countries use Sphero to inspire millions of kids in ways we never could have imagined. And we can imagine quite a bit. It helps us do what we do. The skills students unlock through coding prepare them to thrive in all aspects of life. We couldn't be more thrilled to play a part in their success.